Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I'm back again. I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group RBD live performance. This is Hoy T.O.F.T.S that they perform in Del Adiós in Sao Paulo. Well, I'm never gonna butcher it. Like I said over and over, I took Spanish to graduate high school and I went to college, so that's all I know. See? Their fans are very engaging. Alfonso.
Ya no soporto continuar, me cuesta el aceptar
Hey, hey.
que tu
Come on, Chris.
tu mirada ya no regresará.
Como dice Pocho.
Her body stay fit. It's stay fit. Stay fit. She can play no games with these heifers. You have to give it up to the band. I really do like their band. Live instrument. It's rare for most these artists to perform with a live band. Boom boom boom. 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 Boom, boom, boom. That was good. That was good. I want to say thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to that. Thank you guys so much. Directed to RBD. Without you guys, I would never heard of this group before. And it was, like I said before, I had a friend who lives in Cali, who's from here in the South with me, and she loved this group. And when she watched my videos of me reacting to them, and she was like, "Oh my God, what do you know about RBD?" I said nothing, but they're fans who came across my page, recommend me to react to them, and I really do like this group. However, as I stated before, I've seen Alfonso before because I watched Sense8 and he was in Sense8. I am still fighting for Netflix to reboot that show since they canceled and everything else, so they have money to do it, but I'm still fighting to bring it back. So thank you guys for that. Everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. and pray YouTube doesn't block that. As always, you can do you besides you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!